Have a good day everyone. Today we will see how to create a section level marker as dynamic block. Okay, let's see. Go polyline, PL, enter. Start point, width 0, enter. Ending width 2.5, enter. Length 3 mm, enter. Again width, enter. Starting with 0.2, enter. Ending with 0.2, enter. Okay, click here. Okay, select object, change to layer, floor level. Okay, now go block, define attribute, tag, level, prompt, level, default, percentage P0, text setting, justification left. Okay, text style. Okay, annotative tick, text height 3 mm. Okay, click here. Again go blocks, define attribute, tag, name, prompt, name, default, ground FFL, text setting, justification right, text style. Okay, annotative tick, 3 mm height. Okay, okay, click here. Okay, stretch. Okay, now go block, B, enter. Block name, level marker, select object, enter. Pick point, block unit millimeters, open in block editor, annotative tick. Okay, okay, click OK. Parameter, base point, click here. Parameter, linear, select linear parameter, go properties, number of grips 1. Okay, okay, now go actions, stretch, select parameter, parameter point, stretch frame, select object, enter. Action, more, select parameter, parameter point, select object, enter. Okay, again go parameters, visibility, visibility point, visibility status, rename, level and name, new, level. Okay, new, name. Okay, level and name, set current. Okay, now go visibility, select level, make invisible, click name, enter. Again go visibility, select name, make invisible, select level, enter. Okay, select level and name. Okay, okay, now save block, close block editor. Okay, let's see. Copy, CO, enter. Select object, base point, copy 20 mm, enter. Exit. Now double click, level, select, delete value, right click, insert field, select objects, formula, click, right click, insert field, select object, object type, select position, decimal, precision 0, untick, white tick, OK, click formula, minus, right click again, insert field, object type, select object, position, decimal, tick Y only, precision 0, OK. Now click evaluate, decimal, precision 0, OK, apply, OK. Let's see, go linear, click 20 millimeter, copy, CO enter, base point, copy, 50 millimeter, enter, exit. Now regional, enter, -30, linear, click, OK, 30 millimeter, click, basement, apply, OK, ground floor, double click, name, first floor, apply, level, plus 20, apply, OK, again copy, CO enter, select object, pick point, 30 millimeter, enter, exit, again regional, 50 millimeter, go linear, click, OK, 50 millimeter gap, double click, second FFL, apply, OK, select stretch, OK. Now select levels, go annotate, add scale, add 1 to 2, OK, select, annotate, scale change, OK, again change scale 1 to 1, OK, let's see, second floor, only level, name, stretch, level, stretch, level and name, stretch. Okay. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.